Namaste, friends. Is my voice clear? Is my voice clear, Vikash?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's done now. It's okay now.
So welcome. Let's to all our customers. Thank you for your trust in our app, in our company. So let's take some question answers. Anybody wants to ask any questions, you can unmute yourself and please ask me questions.
Yes, I just wanted to check how is this market. Can I ask a question now?
Yes, please. Please go ahead.
So with the market in a bearish position,
Right.
isn't it a good time to take advantage of some quality stocks?
It is a very good advantage.
So you recommend any particular stocks that we should take? Because today I took Muthoot Finance again because it had come down by more than nearly 30%.
Okay.
From the last time I bought.
Gold is down, na? That's why Muthoot is down.
No, bro. So you expect it will revive again?
Oh, definitely. All my good stocks, my simple principle is this: all the good stocks, the more it comes down, the more you buy.
Okay. So any other stock you would recommend? Because whatever I bought earlier,
all my strong buys are already in the app.
Yeah, there are, but they are not reduced to that extent.
Yeah, so you have to wait then. So you have to wait for some stocks to reduce. Good stocks usually don't reduce. Muthoot is reduced because it is linked to gold. Because gold fell, that is why. Please understand, Muthoot is very linked to gold. So if you become wrong in gold, you will become wrong in Muthoot.
I see.
So please remember this very important point. So, but gold is supposed to be very strong because of the COVID environment.
Yeah.
So it's a great opportunity. Muthoot is a great opportunity, I think so.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. How linked with gold? Mr. Manoj, because it does gold financing. Another thing very important now, which I don't teach, but you have to start learning is, you have to start knowing what does the company do. Like Mr. Manoj Nair is asking me, what does the company do? So basically, if you just do simple Google, or if you read my, we can just show them the overview of Muthoot in our app. So I can show you, we have given a small description of the companies. We have given a stop description of the companies.
Why is gold down?
Sorry, cannot hear you.
Why is gold down?
Why is gold down? It is the normal, normal 10% correction is very, sometimes why it is down is there are many factors maybe, but I do not study gold that much. So just maybe a normal correction, I think so. So if you read this, Mr. Manoj Nair, you should, this small idea is very important. What does the company do? Right? So when you are an investor, you should know what the company does. Okay, we are trying to add more things in this in the next 7-8 days. So we are adding a lot of market share in this. So that will also give you the quality that what is the company doing. Some knowledge of the company is very important. So after seeing the sales growth, profit growth, you should see that what is the company doing. That will give you more conviction to buy the stock. Right? So please understand, Muthoot and Manappuram is linked with gold. So anything gold will happen, it will have an effect. So because gold went down, that is why you are getting Muthoot at a good discount. Okay, so it's actually, I think so it's a great buy. It's a great buy. Okay, next question, please. Next question. That was a good question. So the more you ask question, the more you will be clarified. The more you will be clarified about many things. So next question, please. Nobody wants to ask.
For how long you think the market will remain bearish now?
This is again this only God knows. I can
Okay.
only tell you if you follow my data. I can show you one data.
Yeah.
So I know the bearish is finished. So data is very clear. Vikas, show the Nifty gold, Nifty trend chart.
Yeah.
You follow the Nifty trend chart. Who's asking that question?
It's
Who was
me,
asking that
Lakshman.
question? Sorry,
That's
Lakshman
me.
Guraji.
Yeah.
Lakshman Guraji.
Lakshman Guraji. So if you see, so I open the Vikash, open the Nifty trend.
Yeah.
So if you open the Nifty trend, it is in great. So whenever it comes after 1 lakh, it goes in buy bias. You start buying in the market. Do you understand, Mr. Lakshman Gura? That is why I've given this
Yeah.
for investors. When you have to avoid the market, so when this circle will go to green, you start buying in the market.
Okay.
Okay, but
Understood.
sometimes you might, when it goes to green, it might take 1 or 2 days. In that 2 days, the market would have already risen. That is
Right,
also a
right.
problem, because this is
Okay.
going to happen only after the market has risen,
Right.
right? So how long the bear will face? So when this is in red, I usually try to avoid the markets.
Right.
Try to avoid the markets.
So better
So
to keep a wait
I
and
don't
watch.
buy anything when it is when it is more than 1 lakh minus.
Better to wait and watch now.
Yeah, so when it goes in green, that day I'll prefer to buy 10% higher Muthoot, rather than buying right now. This is my strategy. I may be wrong sometimes, but
Thank you.
sometimes I follow this, because when it is in dead, the market may keep going down. It may even go down to 9,000, 7,000. It can have anything can happen.
Right.
So
You're right.
I just prefer to wait for 2-3 days.
Yeah.
But sometimes, like Muthoot is a great buy at 30%, so I'll definitely put some money. So
That's what I did. I didn't put everything I wanted. I just bought a portion of my part, as
But
Mr.
usually
Vikas
I
had
don't even buy.
suggested.
I don't even buy. I wait actually sometimes.
Okay. Thank you.
That is why I put this screen for everyone. So this helps the investor that the market is in a deep sell trend. So please be very careful. Please be very careful. So till the time it doesn't go in green, be very, very careful.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Next question, please.
This is Maheshwaran, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Who is this? Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, this is Maheshwaran.
Yes, please. Yes, Maheshji.
Since tomorrow is going to be the settlement day, can we expect the contracts are getting over? Then eventually the market will not go up.
So it will depend. I'll show you. Good question. So I'll show you January and February.
Okay.
So when do you know the market is reversed? See, I'll show you some data. January and February, Vikash.
Yeah. This one is.
See, if you see, go to F2 and Pro, F2 and Pro. F2 and Pro only.
January. F2
Yeah.
plus Pro.
Clearing. Go to the clearing day.
Clearing in January started.
Yes.
January. This is.
Okay. So if you see, Mr. Mahesh, right?
Yeah, yes, please. Maheshwaran.
Can you see there were 3 lakh contract minus
Yeah.
on 29 January. The clearing was Thursday.
Okay.
So same condition is there, but they carry forward 1,44,000 contracts.
Okay.
So tomorrow evening at about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, the data will be released.
Okay.
So if they still carry forward 1,44,000 contract, that means October might also be a very bad month.
Okay.
Okay, but now you see March, when the market was in great fear. See what I'll show you in March. So see in March, they were continuously minus, but on the clearing day, they only had 22,000 contract. Can you see?
Yeah.
So they had squared off everything.
Okay. We can make
So
out.
if they carry forward more than 1 lakh contract, whenever it is more than 1 lakh contract, you wait. That means they are still carry forwarding 1 lakh contract in October expiry. So how much they will carry forward, we will only come to know tomorrow evening.
Okay, sir. I just wanted to ask one more question.
Yeah.
there are some particular sectors like, IT and pharma sectors are, every day on an average basis, it's going up.
Yeah.
So from your app, can't we get some kind of, input?
Yeah, you can go to sector analysis, click, yeah.
How do we understand? Okay, since it's IT stocks are going up, we could
So
understand.
IT is going up. See, I've shown you IT, you can click IT. You'll get all the stocks of IT. And then you can say buy. So these are my buys.
No, how do we understand these sectors are in the limelight? My question is that.
See that because it is in the top sector, it is showing 1 month performance. 3 months, you can click 3 months, Vikash. See, it is 3 months also top shares, top counter. 6 months also top. You can't predict what you need to do whenever the sector become top 3. So the best, easiest way to make money is see my app, see the top 5 sectors.
Okay.
Now, if you now see simple, if you want to buy IT. So now which stock to buy in IT? I'll show you in 1 second. So you go to IT, then you just go buy and strong buy, because buy and strong buy. So these are strong buys and these are buys.
Okay.
So you can immediately go and buy these shares.
So however the prices have gone up, yet you are advising us to buy tomorrow itself, or it's how do we evaluate the script, the
That you have
valuation?
to learn. That you have to do my 5. I think don't think so. You've done my 5-day course.
No, sir. Just now,
Yeah,
I
so
joined.
then you have to learn that. So that valuation is also there. If you see, that is also there already. So if you click HCL Tech here, so if you click HCL Tech here, it will take you to HCL Tech page.
Okay.
Opening.
I'll show you. Now it's so now you see it is already saying, it is fairly valued. Can you see it is fairly valued?
Yeah.
Then you can buy.
Okay. So at this price also, it means that we can buy.
Obviously, because when I say fairly valued, you can buy. And that is why, if you see, that is why I have put it certain stocks, which is extremely strong buy. Okay, can you see strong buys? Strong buy means that those stocks are extremely, extremely good.
Okay. The price is no matter. You mean to say that?
Sorry?
The price is no matter at this current price.
Price is no matter because I have only 70 stocks in my app right now, which is buy or strong buy. Those are strong stocks. See, valuation, those stocks, even if you buy higher, still you make money.
Okay, like Divi's Lab.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank
until
you.
unless the app, if the P is 5.5 or something, then it is a separate thing.
Okay.
If the P is even 30, 40, it's fine. Sometimes strong buy companies, you just buy.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
It's been we have made it very easy. You just go see the sector, go to the strong buys and buy that stock. Now, how will you generate confidence in buying that stock? There is never, please understand, buying stocks comes from the fundamental power. Okay, so these stocks, if you see why it is buy, strong buy, that you need to learn, which I keep sharing in all my sessions. Anybody can tell me what I share in all my sessions? Anybody can repeat for Mr. Mahesh?
The fundamentals,
Yes.
ROE, ROC. There are quite a few. I don't remember,
Only
but yeah.
4 only. You have to remember 4. I teach only 4 to all my customers.
Shailesh, I can add a few which you
Yes.
always mention.
Yes.
Your sales growth,
Yes.
EPS growth,
Yes.
free cash flow,
Yes.
and low debt equity.
And ROE.
ROE was already said by him.
Right. So these 4 or 5 things gives you strong quality companies. Now for your good thing, I'll show you a new data which is going to get released for the customers. So I'm releasing this next week, probably. It is being made in the thing. So this will give you strong quality companies where you can see companies from 5-year perspective. Because first only show large cap.
Okay.
Now, what is the difference between a quality management and a quality business? Do you think Tata is a quality management? Yes, no?
Of course.
Of course, right?
Yeah.
So will you buy any share which Tata will tell you?
No. it won't make any sense that way.
Why? If it is a quality management,
There is no guarantee that quality management, the business will do quality business only.
thank you very much. Who's this? Who said this?
This is Maheshwaran again.
Mahesh, this is very good. This is the right attitude. So when you buy, so I'm showing you some very good large cap companies, because 22 and above, please.
Yeah,
Only large cap.
only large cap.
These are my top picks of large cap companies, which is already given 22 and above, Vikash.
22 and above.
22 high, from 22 high.
Ah.
Yes. So these are my top companies, which is the number. To 22 by 22 is the highest quality number which we can give. Some things are changing because Muthoot and all, some numbers are changing because we found out certain thing. They're still making the data. So these are the top companies.
But sir, top companies at times the price wise it's not that much valued yet. Like if I see IGL, I bought it at very high level. Of course, I'm holding it. But the point is that the prices are that much level. It's not pricing it so far.
You see, it is 9% down. 6 months it is given 35%.
Okay, you mean to say that it's 3 months you are watching.
3 months is a very small time for a long-term investor.
Okay.
If you start buying stocks for 3 months, then that is not the right way. That is a trading mentality, Mr. Mahesh. When you buy a stock, you have to wait for at least a year.
Okay.
Then you will make money. If you start thinking 2 to 3 months, then you will not make money. So if I'm showing you all the top stocks, can you see the 5-year performance? Muthoot, 535%. HDFC Bank, 97%. Britannia, 149%. These are 5-year returns of all the top stocks. LTI, 304% in 4 years. SBI Card. So these are all the top companies. If you see, there is no red in the price column. All are making money. But in the last 3 months, obviously the market has become so high, the market is going in a correction right now.
This Larsen and Toubro LTI is the IT company, no? If
Yeah,
I'm not-
Larsen Toubro Infotech. These are all the
Okay.
top companies in India, all large cap top.
Okay. Okay.
Mr. Prabhakar, you are taking a picture, but this is already there in the app. This is already there in the app.
How to see this? Like he may not be knowing it, no?
You don't know, Mr. Prabhakar, how to see these things?
This thing I'm not sure, sir.
Even I do not know, sir.
You just go to large cap and put strong buys, all my companies will come.
Oh, that is there. But this ranking, this data.
So this is the same thing. You're just making it. This ranking is the same thing. Strong buy is already given to you. So you go to large cap, these same stocks will come.
Even I do not know, sir. How to see this?
So then you take training. Na? My people are there to give you free training, and I'm also there. I'm showing you. It's so easy to see on the app. We can just show it to them how they can see all these stocks. So we are making this, which will be released next week, but you can already see this. The one version is already there. If you go to large cap, I'll show you. That's why we have these training sessions by me once a week.
You go to market. What did you do? I could not understand.
Just see if you see again. Go to Vikash. Go step by step. Say
Yeah.
don't rush. Huh? Step by step. 1, 2, 3. Go slow. Go to stock screener. Number 1. Okay. Clear, Mr. Mahesh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now click.
Okay.
Then go to market size.
Okay. Market
And
size.
then you click large cap.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And then just apply filter. That's it.
Oh.
You'll only get my strong buy. All the companies which will come.
Oh, that's
Which I'm
fantastic.
showing there will come here.
Oh, fantastic. It's a very simple way.
It's very simple way. Same stocks will come, Mr. Prabhakar.
Sir, but your ranking, those things.
Same ranking. All the ranking top is strong buy only. It is here. Same stocks.
But that data also, if you are able to show us, it will be good on the app, sir.
Yeah, we'll show that also. That is being made for everybody.
Okay.
That is being made for everybody.
That will be very good, sir. That will be very good.
Mr. Sharaf, can I ask you one thing? This
Yes.
22 count, how did you get this number? Is there any
We'll teach you.
parameter?
Once we release it,
Okay.
It's very simple. I'll show you how do we do it. It's very simple.
So I could not understand how did you derive this total count 22?
So what are the four most important parameters?
Acha, okay, based on that.
So if there are all the four parameters are there, sales growth, profit growth, ROE and cash flow, then
Okay.
you'll get 4 in that year.
Okay.
So last 5 years, they have 4. Can you imagine Muthoot Finance?
Okay. Fine.
But I'll give you a clarity. It is not right because the cash flow is changed. We have changed it to NPA.
Okay.
So Muthoot will go to, I think so, 18 or 19. It will not be 22 anymore.
Okay.
We are changing the cash flows of financial companies to NPA. Okay, because cash flow are not the right way to see companies, but these are all the strong companies. Now, if you see the weak companies, I'll show you the opposite, total count, all the weak companies. We can't do the opposite. All the weak companies, lowest numbers, IDBI, worst share. How many people have IDBI? Anybody has IDBI in their portfolio? 33 people are there. Anybody has IDBI? Nobody's saying.
No, IDBI, unfortunately, I have Bharti Airtel, sir.
Bharti Airtel. So those are all crap stocks. They are good management, but see the condition. No growth. Can you imagine?
But during the COVID time also it went up. But
If
after
you see
this,
5 years, no returns. Only last COVID time it is gone 16%. Still it is now 19% down.
yeah. After age year, it's down.
That is why you buy wrong stocks. You should never buy these stocks. Because these stocks have already, you must be losing money by 19%.
More than that, sir.
Because these are not right stocks. They will not give you money.
Shailesh, even Reliance is there with a score
No,
of 10.
Reliance is number 10. Don't remove Vikas. Reliance हटा दे बेटा. 9 के ऊपर दिखा रहे तो they confuse हो जाते हैं लोग थोड़ा सा.
Okay. I reverse it.
Reliance obviously debt company है ना. 5 साल से heavy debt है. अभी debt कम किया इसलिए दाम बढ़ रहा है.
So the
Sir,
score
showing
of
10 is good.
Reliance
10
should
and above is
increase
good. 10 and above is
after
good.
the.
These are the lowest stocks. 3, 1, 5, 3, 3, 6. These are all, see the condition of these. So at one glance, you will know that there was no profit growth, no ROE, no cash flow for 5 years.
how come Piramal Enterprises you are showing?
Obviously, there is no growth. See, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Oh,
See the condition, na?
my God.
Arey, maybe he is a Jamai Babu or Mukesh Babu. But
That's
what
what
they will do?
I was
The
wondering.
company, now if you see the 5-year return,
Okay.
they have only gone up in the last, but if you see the 5-year return is only 48%. It's only because of the last 6 months return. When the market will fall, these stocks will go so badly, you will lose all your money.
TCS is there in the list.
No, that is Tata
Impossible.
Consumer, not TCS. TCS is in the opposite. It's the highest company.
27.
Tata
It is
Consumer,
Tata Consumer.
it's again,
The
it's
name,
kind,
the name, Tata Consumer. It is not TCS.
but price wise, it's keep on going, sir.
It is going up because, Tata Consumer did actually break away from Tata Chemicals.
Okay.
So the data is not properly available. So then the data is not available, I don't usually buy that stock, but it is continuously going up.
I could
But if you
that-
see now, if I go to the top funds, even if you buy any stock overvalued, you'll still make money. Now
Agree.
go to the top funds, Vikash. The opposite. Please mute yourself. People are
Okay.
talking, please. Now see this. When you do the top funds, see the results. See their performance. No red. All great companies. All 4. So basically, good, healthy companies you should buy. So will this give you more confidence to buy? So check the health of the company because a good quality business should have sales growth, profit growth, and I'm showing you 5-year data. Then you know that the company is super solid. Will this help? Will this help you or not?
Of course.
Definitely, sir. Definitely.
Will this help? What will be the help, Mr. Prabhakar, if you see this? What will be the help?
No, but the ROE is 4. The sales growth is 4. profit growth is 4, the cash flow is also 4. Then what else do you anybody want?
And for 5 years.
Yes.
What else are
5
stocks?
years, the company is doing such solid business.
But this SBI life insurance, that one is SBI cards are different or the similar one?
Similar, they're separate. SBI card is up, see, SBI life is down. Both are there, 44 and 14.
Okay. So we can.
So you should always invest in very, very solid companies. So if you invest, even if you pay a higher price for a good company, you will never lose money. You might lose money for 2-3 months because of the market. But try to buy only quality stocks. That should be the idea which I want to build in. Already people are buying strong buys, but they don't know why we have catered. So by this, you will know why it is a strong buy, because 5-year data. So you can understand why Shailesh is giving strong buy. So that is also we are releasing now. We are releasing all the secrets to the general public so that they can instantly decide the strong buy means such a good data. Fantastic data means that is why it is strong buy. Okay, and then you will be able to see the returns also very clearly. Okay, so this is the file which we are preparing so that more better decision can be taken. So at least you can know what is the history. What is the history? Like if you see Asian Paints has become 0-0 right now in quarterly results. That means no, there is no profit growth and there is no sales growth. But it's a great company. So IGL, why it is not performing, Mr. Mahesh, is because the quarterly results was very bad. Can you see 0-0 here?
Yeah. Okay.
That's right. But history, if you see 5 years, they are fantastic companies.
Maybe due to COVID.
This is due to COVID. Yeah, this is all COVID problem. Nothing else.
Okay.
It's only due to COVID. So once they become better in September result, they are already good stocks. So they will be termed as in very, we have just put them on hold because of the quarterly results, but they again become strong buys. But once you see the number, then you know why it is hold, because it is 0-0 right now. So whenever the quarterly results, something is wrong, I just keep a note. Will this help everybody, all the customers? Will it help you? Yes, no?
No. This is really fantastic data. So one click, like you are getting all the data. Really amazing.
Yeah, very simple, all the best stocks, so any bad stock, you will know that, okay, this is not a good stock, no history. If there is no history in 5 years, you should not buy the stock. After this, we are also putting one more thing. I'll show you one more thing we are putting in the data. Why these companies are doing well? Because they have great products. Show the market share because of these companies.
Yeah.
So I'll show you that this is also we are putting for the customer. The market share. No, don't do that because 20%. ठीक है, ऐसे कर दो, ठीक है. So I'll show you the market share now. Why these companies are doing well? Because they have a great market share. Now, if you see HDFC Bank has 31% of credit card business, and credit card business gives you the highest rate of return. They charge sometimes 24% to 36% interest.
42% even.
Sometimes 42% also. Okay, Britannia. Vikash.
Sorry.
Britannia had controlled 30% of biscuits. About India, there is Influvac. So they control 63% of global share of Influvac.
Yes, sir.
Aurobindo Pharma control 38% of hepatitis B medication. Will this help? Will this give you more confidence why these companies are supervised?
Yeah. Colgate again, it's like toothpaste. 50%.
Sorry, Colgate controls 50% of toothpaste market.
Market share, fantastic.
So once you understand this, now Dabur controls 59% of Chyawanprash. So you will immediately know, that why these companies need to be bought. Like Motherson Sumi, 65% of wiring harness market share.
Shailesh,
Yes.
I know I may be asking for a bit too much, but would it be possible to reflect here how much of this market share is a percentage of the sales? Because there could be different product lines. So, you know, if this particular product in which it has a 59% share, how much is it contributing to its revenue?
But basically this related to sales.
Yes, but you know, it may be having 5, 10, 15 different products. So this particular product which you highlighted here as a large market share, how much is it contributing in percentage terms to its sale? So then that will add, you know, more weight to the market share.
Okay, understood. That can be done. That is not a problem. Because यहीं पर revenue segment भी यहीं लगा देना.
हाँ ठीक है, sure.
We'll do that, no problem. But will this help so that you know we already have great companies? So now I want to give people very simple data, because I want to give data which is related to numbers.
Yeah, for example, Nestle has a 96% share in the baby food. And if that baby food is contributing more than 50% to its sales, we know that you know, it can't go wrong until and unless this market share comes down. So it will add, actually, it'll add value
This
to
market share, it has to be related to sales only.
No, but it may have 5 or 10 different products. It may have 96% in baby food, but if baby food is
we have the
contributing,
revenue segment that's already there in the app, by the way. Let's go to Dabur, Vikas. Just go to Dabur once. Let me see Dabur. How
yes, it is there. It is there in the company analysis right down.
Right.
But not as a filter.
We are not giving any filter right now. We are giving in the share only right now. This, so that once you understand the share, why these shares are good. So basically, Chyawanprash का क्या related है विकास, वो यहाँ पर दे दो. That is what he wants.
वो जो value मांग रहे हैं वो दे देंगे. वो will add in second phase.
Yeah, whatever is
consumer care business, home care, personal care, health care. So 85% में ही Dabur होगा, Chyawanprash होगा. So और clarity कर दो विकास यहाँ.
ठीक.
So basically, what we are trying to show is that why these companies are great, because they have a huge market share. And if they have a huge market share and it is related to the sales, then you know it is a great company. You know, so you can immediately understand why sales is such an important figure, because sales controls the products and the products makes money for the customers. So this is known as understanding quality businesses. आप अगर quality business में अपना पैसा लगाएंगे, तो आपको हरदम पैसा बनेगा. That is what I wanted to emphasize, which we are already emphasizing it. Now we are going to the next level, giving the customers 5-year data, market share, so that they can be more comfortable that why you have. Somebody asked me why I'm buying ICICI General Insurance, because it controls 21% of travel insurance in India. So then you know that you know about the company, that why should I invest in this company? Because they have a huge market share. Does that make sense, Sampath-ji, Anand-ji?
yes.
It is just giving confidence and conviction that people ask you what they like Abbott. So then you can study what is Inflovac, and then you can do a small study. We are planning. So next phase also we'll be giving a small description of Inflovac also. You know the amount, if you're doing for 1,500 companies, how much time it takes to make the data, make it available for the paid customers.
Of course.
So if you want to become more clear that good stocks, why we have 90 good stocks, and why should you buy those 90 good stocks? Okay. So I don't want people to become greedy and buy any other stock, but focus on these 90 good stocks. And probably some good stocks from hold. Maybe 100 and 125 stocks, if they start buying, they will always make good money. Because they are quality stocks. They have good history and they have a good market share. If somebody has a market share, those companies will have an advantage. They will have a competitive advantage. Market share gives you the highest advantage, because now the sales will not go down from 50% to 10% in one day. You know that the company will keep doing well in future also, because they have a huge market share. And if the sales are there, the company will keep making cash flows. The company will keep making profits. So you will also understand that why they are doing well in the last 4-5 years. They are doing well because they have a particular segment where they are market leaders. And in a particular product, if they are market leaders, they have a competitive advantage. That is why this share will do well in future also. Okay, thank you, Anandji. Your feedbacks are very good. So we'll try to incorporate that also.
Yes, yes. Shailesh, I had one more question, if I can ask.
Yes, yes, please, please.
So when you're categorizing a company as undervalued or fairly valued or overvalued, this would be done on a sort of a daily basis, or because the price could fluctuate fluctuates on a daily basis.
It's automatically done. It's coding. Yeah, it's automatically done.
All right. So if something which was undervalued today, tomorrow if the price goes up by 50%, your your algorithm or your algorithm behind all of this will automatically categorize it as overvalued.
Obviously.
Right. So which means that anytime we are applying the filter and in the stock screener, we know that it's on the latest, most up-to-date or updated information.
Every day at 8 o'clock it gets updated.
Right.
Every day it gets updated.
No, sir. If I'm not wrong, Bajaj Fin Service, like if it's like you have written overvalued, then the prices come down from 6,000 to 5,500 or 600 level.
It will become fairly valued.
In that case, you will change it.
Automatically it will change, obviously.
Okay, not as per the quarterly results basis.
No.
Like
Valuation is not the health. Valuation is actually the last thing you should learn. Valuation is learned by the most ignorant people. This is the problem. Valuation never makes you money, friends. What makes you money is the 4 parameters. Who asked this question? Who was asking this question?
this is Maheshwaran again.
Maheshwaran, valuation does not make you money, friend.
Okay.
What makes you money is quality stocks. Even if you buy a quality stock at a higher price, you will still make money. You buy a pathetic stock or a low quality stock at a low price, you will still lose money. This is the biggest problem why all the investors lose money and why we fund managers always make money, because we always buy quality stocks. So even if we pay a higher price, we still make money.
No, agreed, sir. I just asked about the your app. You will keep every day. This
obviously,
will keep...
because valuation is related to price,
okay.
not related to the health of the company.
Okay. That's what
valuation is related to price. So what will change is the strong buy, the fundamental strong buy. If you see, I have categorized many companies as strong buy. Strong buy means you can still enter today, period.
Okay.
You will still make money in these stocks. It is overvalued, but you will still make money. Show them, Vikash. All strong buy is overvalued. Doesn't matter if it is overvalued. Valuation can change in 5 days. But strong buy will only change once in a quarter.
Okay.
Because strong buy means something which is very strong. The health, the quality, the business is very, very strong. So these are overvalued. It doesn't matter. I will still buy these companies.
Okay.
I will still buy these companies even if it is overvalued and the P is high. Now, if these companies by any chance comes low, I'll buy more. It comes lower, I buy more. It comes lowest, I'll buy more.
Okay.
There is no stop loss in these companies. Are you able to understand the understanding first?
Yes.
I think so, Maheshwaran, you have to do my class. It's from 28th. So you'll understand how fund managers think and do everything.
Joining, sir. I'm joining. Already I spoke to Prateek.
Yeah, very good. So please join. Whoever is not joined my class, we have 34 people. So I really request Mr. Maheshwaran, Aditya, have you joined my class? Aditya Raj, Amresh Chaudhary, Amit Bhojnagarwala, Anil Gupta, Ashish, Atul Sumani, Chetan Patel, D. Murarka.
Hello.
I hope. Please mute yourself, please. Amit Kapoor, Vikram, Vijay, Mr. Vinod Tiwari. Who has done my class here? Who has done the class?
Sir, I have done your class, sir.
I have done.
I've already done Siddiqui.
Good.
And again, I'm joining on 28.
Actually, you again joining. This time we are going to share many things, many new things, and probably my app will be ready also by 28th.
Okay.
So I'll be sharing the new app, the new columns, the quality business, market share, many new things we'll share this time. So that you will be more convinced in buying quality stocks, because people are too much fascinated about value. Okay? Value does not give you money, friends. What gives you money is quality companies, quality businesses. Right? So, Anandji, would you like to share something about the class you did? What changed? Would you like to share something so that
Yes.
others will be
Yes,
inspired to do the 5-day class?
Yes, actually, I attended it along with my son, as you know, and it was more to expose him to the basics of fundamental investing. And I must say, it was an eye opener for not only for them but even for me, even though I am from the finance background, because it's been quite a while since I looked at fundamental analysis. And when you have the information at your fingertips, it becomes an enjoyable experience. And maybe I will just add after that training and the fact that I have used the app, regularly, through trial and error, just trying to see, how the output is, and also of the feedback which I've given you occasionally. What I had done is I had entered some of the stocks which we discussed today at their support prices. And a lot of those stocks were bought in this fall over the last 3-4 days. So what it has ensured is I have entered the good stocks at a slightly lower price than what it was maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. That was again thanks to your support and resistance levels which are available in the app, and of course the filter that I only want to look at strong buys and buys and undervalued or fairly valued stocks. So that's how I have entered a lot of stocks, maybe around 14 or 15 stocks I have bought in the last 3 days. And the orders I had placed last week.
Fantastic. So I recommend, so friends, if you attend, then you will understand that why quality businesses are more important than valuation. Because everybody's saying share sasta lo. Share, if you buy a quality stock even at a higher price, there is no problem. That is the beauty of buying quality stock. The people don't understand what is a quality stock. वो लोग सोचते हैं बाजार गिरेगा तो सब शेयर गिरेगा, बाजार बढ़ेगा तो सब शेयर बढ़ेगा. ऐसा नहीं होता. High quality stocks have a different paradigm. When the market falls, these quality stocks fall less. And when the market rises, these quality stocks rises. And when the market is stable, these stocks keeps rising. So even if you see in the last 2-3 days, certain stocks are still going up where the market is falling. Have you noticed? Anybody noticed some stocks which are still going up?
Like
Vaibhav Global.
Sorry?
Vaibhav Global.
Vaibhav
Global.
Yeah, it is still going up, right?
Yeah.
So this is the beauty of buying quality stocks. But if you buy a non-quality stock, when the market goes down, they are operated by people, management, and they also sell 40-50%. In the last 4-5 days, Vikas just shown how many stocks have fallen. Percentage, Vikas, 1 week fall. You have the updated, Vikas, today?
Yeah, updated one.
Just show 1 week fall, दिखा दे maximum. कितने शेयर गिर गए एक हफ्ते में?
Which one sell stocks?
हाँ, सेल में दिखा ना. जो हम लोग ये सेल किए हुए थे 1 वीक में, देखे क्या हालत हो गई उसकी. हाईएस्ट से लगा दे 1 वीक चेंज.
Opening.
So if you see 20% चले गए 3-4 दिन में. This is only 1 week fall. All the crap stocks will lose 20, 30%. And this is where the investors lose a lot of money. So my app tells you which are the crap stocks you should never invest. So please understand quality. Quality is very easy. If you want to be in the stock market, buy only quality stock. This is what I'm training since whenever I come to tell people, I only tell them buy quality stocks. Quality fundamentals will always give you a lot of money. अगर वो बाजार नीचे भी जाएगा, उसका भाव आ जाएगा. अगर बाजार जोर से चले गए, ये सब का भाव नहीं आएगा. These stocks will fall 70-80%. These stocks 70-80% गिर जाएंगे सब stocks. So you will be in a deep problem if you buy these stocks. So please be aware, because we hold hold with caution. इसका क्या गिरा हुआ है? So all these things are available in my app. You can see all these things in the app. ये जो मैं दिखा रहा हूँ सब app में available है. देखिए 7-7 दिन में 22-22, 30-30, 40-40, 20-20, 18-18% चले जा चुके. Can you imagine if you buy these stocks, what kind of money you will lose? And ये सब stock बढ़े थे 3-3 महीना में 100%. यहीं पर सब ट्रैप हो जाते हैं. These are all operator driven stocks. This is all driven by the company because कोई sales growth नहीं है. See the condition. There is no, these companies, most of them are in a very bad shape. -1. See the look at numbers. अगर आप देखेंगे, it's sometimes they're in a very, very bad shape. That is why we put it a lot of hold with caution. तुरंत आगाह कर देते हैं investors को कि खराब stock में invest मत करिए. This is a primary thing. So by launching this, we want to further train people. क्योंकि क्या है, सब लोगों को कभी समझ नहीं आता ये hold क्यों है. तो we will clarify ये hold है, देखिए इसका हालत देखिए. So that then you will be able to take कि मेरे को खराब stock लेना ही नहीं है. How many people have stopped investing in bad stocks after becoming our customers?
Me, Satagopan.
Mr. Satagopan, can you share something? What have you stopped?
Yeah, I took 3 strategies. So now I am totally concentrating only on those 3 strategies. The large cap strategy, I have already invested all the recommendations.
Okay.
The multi-cap strategy, most of them I have invested. For 1 or 2 items which are overvalued, I am waiting for a small correction. And the other one, Warren Buffett, I took very recently. So I am still studying, but I have started investing. Some of the stocks, Warren Buffett's, I already have them. So only some 3 or 4 stocks I am studying them before investment, so that the total.
No. Before I wanted to know, before you became my customer, how were you investing in bad stocks?
Yes, I was.
So what changed in your mind? What changed in your mind?
Because
stop
of the
investing in bad
fundamental,
stocks?
the fundamental part I was not studying at all.
Right.
So this one's training has helped us in developing the fundamentals. So now I am totally into your apps. Every time I look for a stock, I immediately go to your app, either in the mobile or in the computer, and start checking every single item every day before I finalize my investment strategy for the 3 strategy apps which I have taken.
Now, do you feel more safer? Do you now feel more safer, more confident?
Exactly, yeah. I feel very confident. What I am doing, I feel very confident. And I am trying to get rid of the old stocks. Unwanted stocks. I have done already. Partially, I have succeeded. And some of the stocks I am still waiting. Say, for example, IDFC I have been having it for about 3-4 years. The stock is slightly picking up now, so I am just waiting for some positive signal so that I can dispose of that. Something like that.
Okay. So basically, this is what I highly recommend, because there are you should buy some small cap strategies and mid cap strategies also. Everybody, because right now the mid cap and small cap will do very well. So you should know all the good stocks in mid cap and small cap and buy them in the strategies. That will really help you. It will really help you. Right? Any other questions anybody has? Any other question before we end? Anybody has any questions?
This is Maheshwaran again.
Yes.
I just again I reiterate the same question. How do we understand what all the sectors are like moving at current scenario?
Did you
Like,
show you my app now? Let me show you.
no. My point is that in that app, like as per the priority wise, you prioritize, or it's like how do we like make it understand? This sector is moving agro, pharma, IT.
This is actually moving. Guys, open it now once. So basically, we take the whatever stocks moves up in that sector, we take the average of all the stocks and then show it, which is the top sector. I'll show you.
Yeah.
So there are 48 stocks here, Mr. Maheshwaran.
Okay,
I
sir.
take the average of these stocks in last 1 month has given a return of 8-10%.
No, my question is, sir, like you prioritize as per the moving sector wise, or it's like default, you put IT first, then pharma second,
No,
then
I said that is why I'm explaining you the performance in the last 1 month of 48 stocks.
voice.
It is given performance of 48 stocks in last 1 month is 10% average return.
Okay, okay.
Then it comes in 1 month number 1. I don't prioritize.
Okay. I
The
got you.
market tells me which is the number 1.
Fair
This is
enough.
as per market performance.
Okay. Now my takeaway is like this. Okay.
Now is it clear now?
Yeah, yes, of course, sir. Now I got you.
51 companies has given a return of 2.84% average.
Okay.
Okay, so IT is giving the highest return. That is what is showing. No other sector is giving any return. It's only IT and if you click 3 months, you guys click 3 months. So you know which stocks, which sectors have done well. So you can see which sectors have done well in 3 months.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But 1 month, it's only IT and pharma. It's basically more IT. It's only IT going up.
Okay. I got it. Now I'm clear.
Good. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. So anybody else has any questions? There are only 2-3 people asking questions, sir. If you ask question, you can ask me privately. I will not take your name. Sometimes people, they have some inhibition. Maybe my question will be stupid or, please write privately to me and I will answer your question. I will not take your name. You can write in the chat privately. What are the contents of the 5-day class? Praveerji, we teach you how to identify quality companies which will continuously become multi-baggers and become great companies. So Vikas, show them. If you can go here in my app, Vikas, show where they can get this form first.
Yeah.
If you go in my app, if you go to 5 days online training, if you click here in the app here, then you will get all the details. Mr. Praveen Chowda, you can see all the details. I also recommend people to review this session specially because we'll be revealing a lot of new things, especially the new 5-year data, the market share, a lot of new things so that you will be more confident in buying good stocks. Quality stocks is a quality stock. Even if you want to buy good quality stocks, overvalued, it's fine. Anybody? Last question. Anybody has any questions? So shall we end the session? Because nobody is asking any questions.
If I ask one question, hope you will not mind.
No. Please ask. Please ask, Mr. Maheshwar. I'm always there to help my customers because we are training something very new. People are not used to quality understanding, and quality makes money.
Okay, you should not say that you have got a trader's mind in that case.
Okay. Please ask.
See, the point I am trying to ask you is like per se, we bought some stocks at quality stocks. We are saying, I'll name it like Bajaj Finance. I bought it around 4,500 level. Then at times like 4,100 level also. But eventually when it goes up to 4,700, per se we are not selling, because like I wanted to sell it at very high level, like 1 year, 2 year, as per your words. But eventually over a period of time, 1 month, 2 months, whatever the price we bought, much lesser than it level it goes down. So
It
you
only
will.
went down. I'll answer your question. This only happened because of COVID, number
Okay.
one. And if I was there, we bought at 3,000, we bought at 2,500, we also bought at 2,000. I kept on buying Bajaj Finance. This is the confidence you need to have in the company, the history of 5 years and what they do. So once you understand that what is the, then you will keep buying, and now it is already 3,500, you would have made more money if you have kept on buying Bajaj Finance.
So irrespective of the finance sector is going down, yet like you suggest us to buy more.
Because of the quality of the stock. Once you understand the quality, you know, if you see Bajaj Finance quality is more than 18. Vikas, how much is Bajaj Finance right now? Can you show them?
Yeah.
Somewhere around 3,300 or something.
No, the quality, not the price.
Okay.
What makes the price goes up is quality. And all my many sessions I've said keep buying Bajaj. It is 21. It is not right exactly 18 because the NPA is not added. 18 is a very high score. 18 out of 22. It's a great quality. And you see 4, 4, 4, 4. So that is why we are putting this, so that whenever you see this kind of 5-year data, you keep buying those stocks even if it falls. And then you check the sales growth and you see they have a 43% sales growth. So all your questions, what you're asking, Mr. Maheshwaran, will be answered in the class. Then your confidence will be more higher.
So irrespective of the sector movement, yet like we can go against it.
Yes. These stocks are beyond economy. Even if anybody happens to the Indian economy, these stocks will go up.
I thought Reliance is the only one stock.
No, Reliance is, in fact, for me, it's a crap stock.
Okay, sir.
Because the sales growth is down, they have a huge debt, they are selling all the things, we have to check. My Reliance is only 10. It is not a quality stock. They have a loan of 3,60,000 crores. The sales is down by 44%. So people don't understand fundamentals. I would rather buy a Bajaj Finance than a Reliance.
Okay, sir, I got your message. Thank you.
Hello, I have one question.
Yes.
So Kaveri seed I purchased 2 days before, and it was 600 something, and today it fell down around nearly 100 rupees. So, and it was a quality stock.
Which company?
Kaveri seed.
Kaveri seed. Okay.
And I purchased at some 2 days before, and right now it falls by nearly more than 100 rupees. Like in 2 days.
500 rupees. You buy more. If you falls, you buy more. If falls another 500 rupees, you buy more. That is the strategy. Who asked this question?
So question means
so you keep buying, you keep falling, you keep buying more. That is the strategy of a fundamental investor.
So something like if it is written that a strong buy, we can go for that, and if it that prices are falling, then buy more. That you mean to convey?
Yes. That is how you make big money. Okay, especially for large cap.
So one more suggestion I want, few stocks are like cost is like more than 5,000, 10,000. Should we buy lower cost stock or higher cost?
No. Lower cost buys are people who will lose money in the stock market. All the good stocks will always be high priced. Don't worry. That is why you have to learn valuation. If you learn valuation, Sajanji, right?
Yes.
You have to do my course to understand valuation. So don't worry about the prices. This is
So
taught in
suppose
class.
some stock price is more than 15,000 one share price.
Yeah, so
So
buy,
is it
you buy your,
is it so actually we fear sometimes if it falls from 15,000 to 7,000 6,000 difficult to bear.
so I'll tell you, that is why you
You
have to
getting
learn
my question?
valuation. You have to learn valuation, you know. Once you understand valuation, then you will not get scared. Okay. So learn valuation. We will teach that in the class. So then your confidence will further come.
That is fine, but sometimes under every statement there is a disclaimer. So that creates some kind of like fear.
We have to create disclaimer because we have to create a disclaimer because that is the rule of SEBI that you are doing at your own risk. We have to put a disclaimer. Tomorrow, if God forbid, Modi ji dies, the Kaveri seed will fall by 1,000 rupees. Then what will you do? I'll buy more Kaveri seed. Even if Rahul Gandhi comes, Kaveri seed will still go up. You understand what I'm trying to teach you, Mr. Sajan? That is why learning fundamentals, learning the quality is very important. Then only your fear will go away. If you come to the company without understanding, fundamentals is the key. Once you understand quality parameters, your fear will go away. Anybody whose fear is reduced after doing the classes, understanding the teachings, anyone who wants to share with Sajan ji?
Sir, may I? This is Vijay.
Yes, Vijay ji, please share.
Yes. So those friends here, my sincere advice, please take the training by Shri Shailab Saraf ji. I have come across sir when I was working in Malaysia 2016. He used to give webinar in GoToMeeting webinar, this one platform. I used to watch his webinar. But recently, because of COVID, now currently I'm located in Saudi Arabia because working from home. So I saw the Value Stock app. So after that, I called one of his assistant. Then I took the strategy. Then I joined training. Now I got knowledge and discipline. So this is very important for those who are asking question. We should get the correct knowledge by correct guru. So I suggest everyone he is the right kind of guru for Indian stock market. No, the knowledge he give in 5-day training is very immense knowledge. It is a very helpful knowledge to identify the stocks. You need not go to anywhere. Just purchase one strategy and see the stocks in the value stock. We will get all the information about fundamentals. So I suggest sincerely, those who are not taken training, please join 5-day training. It will be helpful and you can teach your wives or children or anyone. So this is a very good platform.
Thank you, Mr. Vijay.
Actually, after taking the training, Mr. Sharaf,
yeah,
I have started investing in high cost shares more.
Very good.
And I take that confidence, because I go through the app, I study all those ROEs and sales revenue, etc., etc. And so I'm more confident. Okay, a number of shares which we are going to invest initially is going to be less. And I always look for buying it when there is a correction and things like that. So the confidence is there for high value item, yes.
Right. So then you have to study the businesses. So what I was referring to, Mr. Sajan, if it is a large cap stock and a strong buy, उसमें तो आप डरिए ही मत in my app. Kaveri seed is not a large cap, but if you go by buying, large cap stock, उसमें तो you don't worry only, I'm telling you. Okay, that is why sometimes, and Mr. Sajan, you should have waited when I have also trained people. When my app shows Nifty is in a sell trend, you should avoid for 3-4 days. This also I train people. Okay, so if Nifty is in a sell trend, just avoid for 3-4 days. That's it. तो उसमें जो 100 रुपया गिरा ना, अभी हो सकता है और 200-400 रुपया गिर जाए, बाजार गिरेगा, तो उसमें कुछ कर नहीं सकते सजन जी. फिर जब बाजार बढ़ेगा फिर it will rise. Okay, are you able to understand, Sajan ji?
Okay, one more question. So generally, by getting approximately at what level of margin one should think of like selling of the stock?
Selling of the stock again is taught is only after the quarterly results. We don't sell stock with the price. We sell stock when either it is superly overvalued above 75, 80p, then only we sell the stock, or we sell the stock if the exit parameters are already given. If any of the after the result these things happen, then you exit the stock.
Means that quality of the stock, like it decreases in
Yeah.
any of the parameter, then need to sell the stock. Otherwise, the stock can be continued more than 1 year also, right?
Maybe more than 5 years.
More than
Till
5
the
years.
quality does not dip, you hold on. That is what the right thing says. Correct.
And regarding these parameters, is it daily updated? Like I have
Every day,
taken
it is updated every day.
every day.
Every
So
day.
whatever stock we are buying, we need to check the health of those stocks like regularly.
Health is no health. You have to check only once in a quarter.
Okay.
Price gets updated, valuation changes, many things changes, but the health only changes once in a quarter.
Okay. Yeah. Health that only quarterly it is assessed. Health is
Yes.
assessed quarterly. Yeah.
Yes, but the daily prices, it is there. You go to the app and check, Mr. Minalkat. It's all there in the app.
What is difference between these buying these strategies, or like in application also gives different kind of parameters
Strategies
strong
are
buy?
tested for 5 years. It will give you a certain kind of very good returns. Strategy is buying a basket of portfolios, which will give you very, very good returns.
Okay. In one strategy, suppose there are 15 stocks, and out of that 15 stocks, some 7 stocks are marked as red. And suppose I bought 2 strategies. Out of the two strategies, 30 stocks are there, and out of that some 15-16 stocks are marked as red.
You buy the other 14 stocks right now.
Pardon?
Buy the other 14 stock which is not marked red.
Okay, yeah, few are not red, but like 60% are red. So red need to be avoided, right?
Yeah, yes, avoid the red, buy the other ones.
So within the purchase strategy against those red marked fund, can we get some additional information like that good recommended fund?
They are all good stocks only because of the COVID, it has been marked red. Only because of COVID. They are very, very good stocks. If you see the quality, all are super quality stocks in my strategies. So even if you buy only because of COVID, those stocks are slightly in a painful scenario. But many of those stocks are still going up, even if they're marked red. It's only because of COVID I have put a red flag. After September results, when they do well, we will remove the red flag.
Okay, red flag is not the road blocker completely, right?
No, red flag is only to mark because of COVID problem. That's it. To give you some idea. So we will check September results. After the September results, we will remove the red flag. And if some companies will still not do well, we'll keep the red flag. This is just because of COVID. This does not happen every time. It only because after the quarterly results, some stocks give some bad return. That is why we remove it.
What is difference between annual strategies and quarterly strategies? Like annual strategies also you are making change quarterly, right?
Annual strategies, you hold the stock for a year. In quarterly strategies, you change the stocks every 3 months.
Okay.
You please, I think so, Sajanji, I think so, you take one-to-one training.
Quarterly, suppose somebody is buying, suppose I am buying quarterly strategy, can't I keep that stock for a year?
One second. Mr. Sajan, I think so. These are basic questions. You should take one-to-one training with my Pratik, because these are questions which you told you should. You know Pratik, Mr. Sajan Palarwal. You take one-to-one training and you understand everything, because these are some basic questions which was given to most of my customers in one-to-one training. So you take a 1 hour one-to-one training, my person will answer all these questions, because these are some basic questions which is already should be given to you. I'm already answering many of your questions, but I think so you take another one-to-one training and it is free. Take that one-to-one training free and understand, ask all these questions. Okay, Mr. Sajan.
Okay.
Okay. So please
Okay,
apply.
thank you. Actually, I took 1 hour. I purchased 2 strategies and took one-to-one training with Dipan, but like your answers are more convincing than him.
Obviously, I'm the owner, so my answers will be more convincing. You know? So, okay, you can ask me. If you've already taken the training, you continue ask. I'll answer all questions. That is why I do one-to-one also. See, the app is created by me. It is my research, 20 years of experience. Obviously, my guys will not have that kind of experience, right? Any other questions you have, Mr. Sajan?
No, it is good. Thank you very much. So generally, these kind of seminar you conduct once in a month, or like
once in a week. Once in a week.
Once in a week.
Yeah, once in a week, free of cost for you, so that you can also meet the owner, founder, and you can ask these questions. And if my people are not serving you well, if you have anything, you tell me and I'll support you.
So the question is,
one question which was still moving in my mind, like whether it is beneficial to buy like this quarterly strategy, or better to go for annual strategy only.
It depends on your, if you want to do quarterly strategies are, stocks keep changing. Some annual strategies are people who want to buy once and wait for a year. Okay, so it depends. If you want to do 4 times trading, then you buy quarterly strategies every quarter and then you decide.
Can I ask a question, sir?
Yes, please. Yes.
Satagopan here.
Yes.
See, I have some shares which I bought before taking up these strategies. One is ONGC, which right now in your recommendation is called hold with caution. Okay. Yeah. So in that case, should I sell it off or should I wait for?
Caution is all sell only. Hold with
sell
caution
only.
is all sell only.
Okay, because it's I'm having 20%.
Hold with caution is because it's a large cap stock. That is why we don't say sell, because people get hurt.
Okay.
You're telling ONGC to sell, such a big company, PSU, but see the business. What is the number of ONGC? We can't just show the number. See the number of ONGC. It's crazy number.
I think it was less. I was seeing it.
Okay. Sir, can I have one more last question?
Yes, yes. See the number. Total count is 10. Not bad, but the performance is not good. 5 years no increase. You should always avoid PSU stocks. PSU stocks, except IGL and MGL, all are pathetic. They never give any money.
I was thinking whether I should average it. That's why I asked.
No averaging, sir. My wife is, you only average strong buys. Again, please understand.
That's why I asked.
Don't average anything else. I will never recommend. Only average strong buys.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Sajan.
For example, the Yes Bank right now, that your fundamentals are very weak and your valuation strategy don't recommend, but its rate is very low. Suppose I want to keep it for 5 years, it is advisable?
No, all the stock which does not have quality, sell all those stocks. This is the biggest problem with the investors. Don't buy bad quality stocks, even if it is cheap. Always buy quality stocks, even if you have to pay higher. Never buy a ghatia company, even if it is lower. That is the principle which I teach.
Got it, sir. Yes Bank was a reputed bank, and in 5-10 years, is it expected? Suppose I have patience to keep it for 5 years.
I will never buy a pathetic stock. I will sell it even if I have 1 lakh share, I will sell everything. When the company will become better, my app will already show, then I will buy. Till the company does not give good quarterly results, I will not buy. You have to do my program because these are questions which I answer all in the program. Okay. So these are questions which all investors have. That is why I have a 5-day program so that I can give all the teachings also to the people. Maximum teachings. Okay. Mr. Sajanji, never buy unquality stocks. Please have that one principle. Many people bought, this Reliance Power, Suzlon, JP, all have become 1 rupee. So we don't know what will happen to Yes Bank. It might become 1 rupee also. Huh? So please be very careful. Please don't buy these stocks. Anybody wants to help Mr. Sajan, because this is the problem why all investors lose money in the stock market, because they buy non-quality stocks. Anybody wants to help Mr. Sajan? Anybody wants to give him some advice? This is my biggest thing of the app, buy quality stock. This is what I keep telling in all my seminars. I plead, I tell them, please buy quality stocks. That is it, Mr. Sajan. That is why I have such great people who love me, who respect me, because I only tell them to buy good quality stocks. Good quality business, always. Anybody wants to share?
MGL is a good stock, sir.
Very, very good
Yes,
stock.
I want to share.
See the number. That is why it's a fantastic stock. See, I'll show you the history.
It's
I'll show
fallen so
MGL.
much. It's fallen so much, sir.
Yeah, because of the quarterly results, not because of COVID. I'll show you. I'll show you. See, it is all 4 only because of quarterly result. It is, but it is 19. 5-year performance of a PSU stock. It's amazing.
Continuously falling.
Still, because the quarterly results are bad, na? That's why we have put this in hold right now.
So I should not buy.
You should not buy because it is hold right now.
Whatever things
But
I have, I should hold.
But once the September results come and my app changes it to buy, then you enter it and then you make big money.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Rajendra.
Yeah, I'm not seeing video.
Sorry?
I'm not able to see myself on video.
Maybe not. We can hear you. Please continue.
Okay. So I have taken your training.
Yes.
I am also listening all these questions. All those questions were arising to me also. But now no more questions. Very clear. Okay. My initial fundamental in a stock market was if there is 20% profit, you sell it. So I was doing it. So what was happening? Good shares were almost I sold, and all bad shares were in my stock. But after attending this training, I have made list of buy and strong buy of 20 shares, and I'm monitoring only those. And whenever there is chance, I am buying daily some quantity, like SIP. That's what you are told. Maybe 3,500, like 2 HDFC, 10 ICICI Bank, like that. And now slowly I am building my portfolio, which is really very good now, and giving very good appreciation.
Very good. Thank you, Mr. Rajendra. Thank you so much.
So I will ask all other participants who have not attended the training, they must attend it. Otherwise, all these questions they will crop for their life.
Actually, these questions cannot be answered. I am trying to answer most questions, but when they do the program, it is so well organized, you understand what we are trying to teach. So I hope everybody will join. We have many people. I hope you will join. Anybody has any more questions?
Thank you, sir.
Vijay, Harkal, Vijay M, Praveen Ji Dash, Pramod Akte, Prabhakar Ji, Pavan Pudar.
So one question, sir, suppose one person is having 1 lakh rupees, he should purchase over a period of time, because we never know on which day market will go down, and any day in a month market may fall, and right, so we should wait for that.
No, this is all crap. This is done by traders. Good quality stocks is always for good quality stock, the market is always good. You buy good quality stocks irrespective, all the strong buys and buys you can buy. Don't worry about the market. If you want to make money in the stock market, forget about the stock
falls
market.
down on that particular day, that good quality stocks rate also falls by 20-30 rupees, sir.
Buy more. Buy more. Good quality stock means companies which I have said strong buy. Right? So good quality companies is always good buy. They will always give you money. You are checking one day. That's a trader mentality. You are coming from a trader mentality कि आज ही खरीदा, आज ही भाव बढ़ जाए, वो फाटका होता है, वो speculative mentality है, gambling है वो. हम लोग क्या सिखा रहे हैं सज्जन जी, अच्छा स्टॉक खरीदिए और चुपचाप बैठ जाइए, ठीक है, और उसका 6 महीना साल भर में भाव देखिए. You understand सज्जन जी what I'm teaching? आप एक एक दिन देखेंगे वो ट्रेडर मेंटालिटी, वो फाटका है, वो गैम्बलिंग है. स्टॉक मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट मत करिए.
Okay.
Okay, please, whenever you buy the stock, think for 6 months, 1 year. Buy a good quality stock and wait for 6 months, 1 year. Then you see what happens.
But you teach risk reward ratio also.
Sorry?
Risk reward ratio also you educate.
Good quality stock, the risk reward ratio of a good quality stock is always high. Again, that is a trader mentality, Maheshwaran.
Okay.
Please understand what we are trying to teach is if you are in a good quality stock, even if you buy higher, you will still make money. Forget about the stock market. Forget about the economy. A good quality stock is a good quality stock.
Okay, fine, fine.
Are you able to understand this? You will only understand after my 5-day program. Even if I shout and tell you, you will not understand, because you will understand why good quality stocks always makes money. So there is no market for a good quality stock. The market is always good for a good quality stock. So what I teach my people is what is a good quality stock. So even if you buy overvalued, you will still make money. You understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it.
So if that stocks becomes undervalued or fairly valued, you buy more. Not to worry. So this is a completely new thinking. See what we are trying to change, my app and my training program, we are trying to change mindsets of people. Like people like Sajan ji, their mindset, that's a small mindset. एक दिन में भाव गिर गया, वो तो फाटका लोग करते हैं. अरे एक दिन के लिए थोड़ी हम लोग स्टॉक बाजार में. We are training fundamentals for 1 year, 6 months. स्टॉक लेके शांति रखेंगे. अगर उसका क्वालिटी खराब होगा, हम लोग बेच देंगे. चाहे हमारा, if I'm even losing 20-30%, I will sell that stock. Till that company does not lose its quality, we will hold that stock. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to teach? So this is what is the way. You have to take time to understand this mentality. But if you can get this mentality once in your life, then you can make a portfolio of hundreds of crores in 10, 20, 30 years. Because if you buy, sell, see the market every day, actually, people should not see the market every day. Buy a good stock and forget it. That is what you need to learn. Am I able to understand, Mr. Sajan? Okay. So we'll end the course. Sorry for being strict with people because we are trying to share what is good for you. So I hope you will not mind, Sajan ji and Maheshwar ji, but we are trying to share something very important. Okay. Thank you so much for your time, friends. So we'll see you next Wednesday. Please join every week, ask questions, but buy quality stocks. That's the key aspect.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.